Hello, good day, my students and friends. So, I'm in what we call a trust wallet. Let me back out. So, download Trust Wallet. And today we're going to work on how to use the Trust Wallet, okay? So, once you download the Trust Wallet, you know they'll give you 12 words. You have to keep those words because those words, if you ever lose your cell phone, those words, you have to put them in order and you'll be able to retrieve your money from the blockchain. Okay? So any wallet that's a crypto wallet, all you would have to do if it says, did you have a previous wallet? You say yes and enter those 12 codes and you'll see your money. Okay? So now we're in Trust Wallet. What's important in the Trust Wallet is you always want to send Ethereum to the Trust Wallet, where you see here I have Ethereum, and you always want to send BNB. Okay, remember Ethereum and BNB Binance is what I call the pillars. They are smart contracts and applications are built on top of them. The coins are built on top of them. So you will always need Ethereum to buy other coins, or you'll need BNB to switch it to a smart chain BNB here and then buy coins. Okay? So only thing you need to know is you will always need to send BNB here from an exchange like crypto.com or an exchange like a Binance US. So to do that, you would click Ethereum and you would click receive, and then you would just copy that, and then you would put it in the withdrawal section of whatever exchange that you on, and it'll ask you what's the address, and you'll paste the address there, and the money would come here. Okay? So now we know that. Trust Wallet is where you will be buying all of your altcoins, the coins that market cap is under 200 million, and the coins that the other exchanges does not have. That's why you need a Trust Wallet, okay? Now you see where it says dApps here? Those are applications on top of the Trust Wallet. If you have an iPhone, it'll probably say browser there, or you'll have to download something to say browser there. I'll have that information in the link for you. But Samsung, you just click dApps. Now in dApps, let's go to DeFi. The automatic market makers that you'll be using is PancakeSwap. That's on the Binance, okay? Any coin that's on the Binance network, that's BEP20. So you use PancakeSwap. And Uniswap is for Ethereum, and 1inch is for Ethereum. Those are the three that you would be using, okay? So I'm going to repeat. You'll be using Pancake for Binance, Uniswap for Ethereum, and 1inch. So let's just say I click on 1inch. Automatically, you see it attach my wallet. And if I click on die right here, it'll show all of the coins I can change. These are coins that are ERC token coins. You see I have Elon, you know I have ETH, NKN, Wu Trade, Chili. So you see that, okay? So now if I click on the PancakeSwap right here, that's Binance, okay? And then I click here. These are the coins that I have on the Binance network: Break, Sushi, Cake, ADA, okay? So your job today is to just play with 1inch, play with PancakeSwap, and play with Uniswap here. And you see Uniswap does the same, okay? And then just play with it, get to understand it. And while you're there, you could just look at all the other type of new apps, application, Yield Watch, Little Token. So you can just look at popular, buy from top brands with Ether. You can just look at different things, compound, cold staking. But remember, the main three you will use for automatic makers for now is PancakeSwap, 1inch, and Uniswap Exchange. Okay? So now when I go to my wallet, For instance, I click SafeMoon. You see it says it's a BEP20. So you know it's on the Binance network. Smart Chain, that's Binance. Ethereum, we know that. Now we do Dodge Elon, it says ERC20 token. So it's on the Ethereum. So you can buy it on 1inch or a Uniswap. Eternity Chain, ERC20. You could buy it on 1inch or Uniswap. NKN, ERC20. You could buy it on 1inch or Uniswap. Now you're starting to understand. Bakery token, it's a BEP20. That means you can buy it on Binance. That's Pancake Swap. So now you have an understanding. Now you see where it says DEX, bottom right hand side? DEX is for Binance. Okay, not ERC, because Binance owns Trust Wallet. So if we click here, bam, you'll see all these, but I cannot trade that. I cannot, it will not work. Leave that alone, okay, for now. Leave that alone, okay? So now you have an understanding. That's why you need Trust Wallet, so that you can buy coins that's not on the other exchanges, okay? And there are fees that's associated with Uniswap. Your fees, that's on Ethereum network. It's high. It'll be like $25, $50 on average. On Pancake Swap, the fees are under $5. They're not that expensive. I am Romeo the Professor. If you have not started following our YouTube channel, follow it. It's A2Z space investor. That's A as in alpha, the number 2, the letter Z space investor. Okay? I am Romeo the Professor. Thank you.